Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I am going to be showing you how I clean and organize my apartment. What I'm showing you right now is the before of how dirty everything is looking, and we are going to go ahead and organize all of that. So with nothing further, let's just jump right in and get started. So last night I washed all of our clothes, and as you see, it's a lot of clothes. So what I'm doing here is putting those away. I'm just folding it, put some TV so I can entertain. I don't know about you guys, but I don't enjoy folding clothes. I think it's probably the most boring thing in the world to do. So keeping yourself entertained is probably the solution to this. So anyway, you guys, I am folding the clothes by category, whatever is mine, whatever is for Daniel, and whatever I'm gonna put in hangers depending of the category. And I'm also folding our second set of sheets as well as any towels that I washed. So pretty much what you guys are seeing is like all of our stuff. Like I washed every single probably every single item that was dirty, including towels and sheets. So I just finished just organizing pretty much and folding all the clothes. This is all my clothes over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting them away, and we can continue with cleaning and organizing. Here I am organizing all of our drawers, and this is pretty much where we keep all of our underwear and shirts and shorts for an everyday. So it's very easy for it to get disorganized, if that makes sense. Then putting away my socks pair by pair. Here I am hanging all of Daniel's clothes. I like to keep it by category so it's easy find. Something that I am looking forward to 2021 is to be more color coordinated. I think it will look way better. I think I'm OCD, you guys. Anyway, these in the bottom is the clothes I use every day. It's not all my clothes, but I'm putting those away. And I am finally putting away our sheets and blankets and things like that. So continuing with the process, I am going to remove my old sheets and I'm gonna go ahead and put fresh ones that I just washed. And then I'm gonna take those old sheets and I'm gonna wash them. And finally put in the blanket, and then I smell it and I realized, oh, this is not clean, I have to wash it. So here I am in the laundry room putting this blanket to wash, and I'm gonna start cleaning the bathroom. I'm gonna begin with removing my trash and then spray with Lysol the toilet and disinfect, to then wipe it down after removing all this stuff that is on top of the toilet, and making sure that everything is very clean and disinfected, to then continue with the other areas. And now I am putting away some of the stuff that where they belong and not in the middle where everything is. And then here I am brooming the floor to continuing steaming it with my mop. And now I am cleaning the shower, making sure everything is looking how it's supposed to, and spraying with my Lysol one more time to disinfect the tub. And then I am going to go ahead and remove all of that after a few minutes. And now I'm putting the trash back. Oh, not so fast. And I am putting the decorations back and the toilet paper where it belongs. And I am going to refill the toilet paper holder so we can have it there. And now I am steaming the floor, or mopping the floor with my steamer. I love this thing. I actually got it probably a few weeks ago, like no more than 3 or 4, because it really is like heat. So not only it's cleaning it, but it also disinfects. So speeding up the process, I am going to go ahead and start putting things away, refilling the Q-tips, making sure I have enough, and then cleaning the hand towels holder and the mirror, etc., wiping all of those baby down. I don't know about you guys, but I love to have like a clean mirror. It's like you put the spray and then you just clean it. It just looks perfect. Moving on with wiping surfaces, definitely making sure that everything is dusted out and brooming that area as well. We have dogs, so we get a lot of pet hair. I constantly have to be brooming. Then putting that away, going back to the bathroom and putting the towels. Look in the mirror how beautiful my fresh white towels, so exciting. As well as the floors, they're wiped clean, perfect. This is literally perfection. Now back to the bathroom, putting pillowcases, the pillows, and then vacuuming all of that dog hair, making sure that our bedroom and our carpet is nice and clean. Dusting out the nightstand and airing the room. And now we are cleaning the living room, making sure that all surfaces are very clean, nice, neat, and fixing the couch, and then removing the table so I can vacuum that carpet, remove all of that dog hair to continue to brooming the whole area so we can steam mop it. And now to the dining room. I have no idea how these got the way it got, but it's very dirty. I'm pretty much putting in a trash bag a bunch of trash I found on that area, and removing the chairs so I can broom real quick, remove the trash, replace with a fresh trash bag, and then brooming more the floor, wiping down to steam mop it, and now it's looking like a dining room. Now in the breakfast countertops, I am removing all of this stuff over here. I even had light bulbs apparently. I don't know what that was doing there, but making sure that I'm putting those away and spraying it out and wiping it out to continue to our final destination, which is the kitchen, making sure we are spraying everything to clean, and especially the stove that was very dirty, so I took my time there. Then I received a call from my husband, and he was coming home for lunch, and I had no idea what to cook. So when you have no idea what to cook, you cook ramen. Those instant ramen take like 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and they're ready. I put usually like 2 eggs. to boil, or more like poach kind of styled. And it's completely done, like seriously, in a few minutes. So when you don't know what to do, you just do that, and it's very fulfilling too and very tasty. Now continuing to the other side of the my beautiful kitchen, I'm putting away dishwasher stuff that were clean and putting the dirty ones into the dishwasher. And I have to say that I don't know what I would do without a dishwasher, because nobody ever is gonna make me wash a dish. I hate doing that, and whatever is faster and more efficient, here I am trying to make my life easier every way possible. Here I am reorganizing my fridge. It's very easy to take stuff out of the fridge, and all of a sudden, like, the fridge is a complete mess. So I was trying to sort out the stuff that was expired, and trying to give a little bit of more organization and create some space, because that day I was doing some grocery shopping. So remember the blanket that was dirty and we were cleaning it earlier? It's now clean. So here I am finalizing my bed. And here is the after. I love how everything turned out. There's nothing better than a clean home. I'm done. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. I actually finished everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully this will give you some inspiration on cleaning and organizing your house, especially now for the holidays and the new year, so we can start with a clean canvas. And yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.